What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this short video I want to talk to you about what it takes to actually make more money through Facebook's monetization program when you have a Facebook page, you have ads enabled for it, and you're trying to make more. Now I've been experimenting with this for the better part of a year now, and I've been doing pretty well for the most part by creating very simple Reels videos like these, and they get the most reach, and that's how I really got my numbers up when it comes to getting a lot of followers, well over 174,000 right now. But the thing that I found is that when it comes to making money from these kinds of videos, it's not a lot. Maybe for every 1,000 views that I get on a video like this, I'll maybe make 10 cents. That's kind of my average, for instance. And so I started experimenting with this kind of stuff because I was really just putting up maybe 3 to 5 Reels videos a day, which is great. It gets the most reach that I've ever seen in Facebook, but it doesn't make the most money in Facebook's monetization program. What does make more money is content that you post that could technically also be a Reels video, but I'll explain in a moment what has worked better for me at least, which get more shares and engagement. Engagement being people commenting. This is huge. And I've really been studying this stuff very deeply because the thing to note is, at least in my particular case, when I create Reels content like this, I share links to go back to my website. And because this has the most reach, even though I won't make a lot of money from Facebook's monetization program, I will get a large chunk of traffic coming back to my website, and I will make decent money from that. So in this particular case, it works out. But I am also trying to increase my numbers when it comes to Facebook's monetization program, and there's people out there that do really, really well. And one of the most common things that I see from these people that are very experienced and successful at this is they recommend making simple content, not necessarily Reels videos, that really ask simple questions. And I've created content like that for quite a while. So here's one example. I've got 9 comments on this. Most of the content that you post in Facebook is not going to do really well, but if you post enough of it, some of it will, and it really is just a numbers game after a while. So here's an example of one which I posted. Has the rise in gas prices prevented you from visiting national parks and doing road trips? And this one has gotten 80 comments. And what I found is that if I look at the insights of this, the reach for this is not that high. I mean, what are we looking at over here? Let's see, like over 3,000 viewers. That's not a lot. If we look at my Reels videos, I sometimes get tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of viewers. But the money made for every 1,000 people on these kinds of simple posts is way higher than the Reels videos that I have. So if you're trying to make more money from Facebook's monetization program, provided of course that you're eligible for it, content like this, which is simpler and easier to make, can sometimes actually pay you more for every 1,000 views than Reels videos that can get you more reach but less engagement and shares. So try to make more content that gets you more engagement and more content that gets shares. It could be questions like these. It could be controversial questions. It could even be a Reels video like this that asks a question and for people to comment. As long as you're getting engagement via comments and shares, that is what what Facebook cares about most. Now, I'm not saying this is easy. It takes a lot of experience, a lot of practice, a lot of experimentation and repetition. It's kind of like you're just throwing one experiment after another. I basically post like a lot of questions like you just saw multiple times a day. Sometimes they get a lot of answers and engagement, sometimes they don't, but they do add up. So sometimes it's not the prettiest looking content that makes you money on Facebook's monetization like this. Sometimes it's simple questions like these that actually do better. And I'm not the only one that's saying it. People that are way more successful in Facebook's monetization program are saying the same thing. So that is what I wanted to talk to you about in this video. If you have any questions about it, let me know. But as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.